Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Tuner. I brought you some problems based on trigonometry. So these are the previous repeated problems from our trigonometry polyset exam. Okay. So before going through this video, please do watch the first video. Okay. దాంట్లో మనం బేసిక్స్ అన్ని కవర్ చేసామంటే ఆ బేసిక్స్ లో మనం క్లియర్ గా ఉండదంటే ఇవన్నీ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినా చేయకపోయినా ఫస్ట్ వీడియో క్లియర్ గా చూసామంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ. Trigonometry at your fingertips. Okay. Now let us see how to solve the problem. ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోకుండా తక్కువ టైంలోనే విల్ ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ sin A is equal to cos B. మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఏం చెప్పాం? sin and cos are complementary ratios అని చెప్పాం. Complementary ratios అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? Sum of the two angles A plus B is equal to how much? 90 degrees. That's it. So third one is our option. That's it. So second question 2016 లో వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్ అండి. So it is like cos 36 cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. So now looking at the question, మన previous class లో కొన్ని formulas relate చేసాం. So what are those formulas? Let us recapitulate. That is like cos A cos B minus sin A sin B which is equal to మనం ఏమని చెప్పామండి? Cos of A plus B. So it is of the same formula. This is like cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So answer ఏమవుతుందండి? Cos A plus B. So cos A value ఎంత? 36 degrees plus B value 54 degrees. So what is cos 36 plus cos 54? That is nothing but cos 90 degrees. What is cos 90 value? Beta nothing but 0. That's it. Trigonometric table. So on the previous class is very important. If you know cos 90, what is cos 90 value? 0. So 0 is our answer. That's it. The value of 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos theta. First option 2 sec square theta. Second option 2 sec theta. Third option 2 cosec square theta. Fourth option 2 cosec theta. So ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి జనరల్ మనం దీన్ని తీసుకోవాలి, సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ హెడేక్. సో ఇలాంటి కేసులలో మనం ఏంటంటే theta is equal to some value సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. సార్ ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి? 0 degrees 30 45 అట్లా మీ ఇష్టం. సో దాంట్లో ఏ డిగ్రీ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలంటే మీరు ఏదైనా డిగ్రీ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ మాత్రం ఇన్ఫినిట్ లో రావాలి. సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 డిగ్రీ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశారు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు cos 0 వాల్యూ ఏమైతుంది మనకి? cos 0 వాల్యూ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1. సో 1 by 1 plus 1 ఇది 1 by 2. ఓకే, కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 by 1 minus 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 by 0 అవుతుంది. 1 by 0 అంటే ఇన్ఫినిటీ. సో కాబట్టి 0 డిగ్రీస్ మాత్రం తీసుకోకండి. అది కాకుండా ఇంకా మనకి సింప్లెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటి? 60 డిగ్రీస్ తీసుకోండి. సో θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 60 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. సో ఇక్కడ మన క్వశ్చన్ ఏమైతుంది? 1 by 1 ప్లస్ cos 60 వాల్యూ ఎంత? 1 by 2 ప్లస్ 1 by 1 minus cos 60. cos 60 is nothing but how much? 1 by 2. సో దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు మనం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. సో 1.5 కాబట్టి ఏమైతే 3 by 2 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ 1 by 1 minus half is nothing but half. సో డినామినేటర్ లో ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంటే రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 2 by 3 ప్లస్ this is nothing but 2. So 2 plus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. That is nothing but 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3 answer. So 8 by 3 options లో దేనికి వస్తో చూద్దాం మనం. So 60 degrees. So sec square 60. Sec square 60 అంటే మనకి ఏంటి? Sec 60 వాల్యూ ఎంత మనకి? So sec 60 వాల్యూ is nothing but reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 వాల్యూ ఎంత? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 కి reciprocal కాబట్టి 2. సో 2 ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే 4 అవుతుంది. 4 into 2 8. మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏముంది? 8 by 3 కావాలి. సో ఈ ఆన్సర్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ 2 into sec 60 వాల్యూ ఎంత మనకి? 2 అని తెలుసు. సో 2 కాబట్టి 2 into 2 4. ఇది అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ 2 into cosec square theta. సో cosec 60 degrees. cosec 60. సో cosec 60 అంటే sin 60 కి రెసిప్రోకల్ కాబట్టి ఏమైతుంది? 2 by root 3. సో 2 into cosec square అంటే ఏమైతుంది మనకి? 2 by root 3 whole square. So nothing but 2 into 2 square is nothing but 4 by 3. So nothing but 8 by 3. So this is the answer. So మనకి ఏం తెలియాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ వాల్యూ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో ఏదో ఒక ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ వాల్యూ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 డిగ్రీస్ మాత్రం అస్సలు పెట్టకండి, ఎందుకంటే 0 పెట్టారంటే ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది? 1 by 0 కాబట్టి ఇన్ఫినిటీ వస్తుంది. సో అది కాకుండా మనకి నియరెస్ట్ సింప్లెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏముంది? 60 డిగ్రీ. సో 60 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ద్వారా వెరిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంతే తప్ప దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్ టేక్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్. Now coming to our second question, the value of tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So first option sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta, sec square theta minus sec power 4 theta, sin square theta minus cos square theta. లేదా లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ sec square theta minus tan square theta. సో ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ లో మనకి ఏంటో చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏం లేదండి, మన సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. θ is equal to 45 degrees. సో మన క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇప్పుడు మనం 45 డిగ్రీస్ పెట్టామనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది క్వశ్చన్? tan square 45 degrees plus tan power 4 45 degrees. Tan 45 ఎంత అండి? ఈజియెస్ట్ వాల్యూ 1. సో అందుకనే మనం 45 degrees తీసుకున్నాం. సో 1 తీసుకుంటే 1 square is nothing but 1, 1 power 4 is also 1. So 1 plus 1 which is nothing but 2. సో ఆప్షన్స్ లలో మనకి ఏ వాల్యూలో 2 వస్తే అదే మన ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి? sec power 4 theta. సో sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. సో theta ప్లేస్ లో మనం ఎంత యాంగిల్ పెట్టుకోవాలండి? 45 degrees. Here also 45 degrees. సో sec 45 అంటే cos 45 కి రెసిప్రోకల్. సో కాబట్టి ఏమైతది? √2 power 4 minus √2 power 2. సో √2 power 4. Power 4 అంటే 4 times మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 4 times మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి √2 వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 4 minus √2 2 times మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 2. సో 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ is our answer. That's it. ఇంకా దీనికోసం టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లలో రిపీట్ అయ్యే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్ అండి. సో ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ cos 45 degrees, cos 30 degrees, cos 90 degrees, cos 60. సో దీనిలో ఒకటే చిన్న లాజిక్ అండి. cos 90 వాల్యూ అంటే 0. సో 0 into something, it is almost 0. That's it. Okay. So coming to our second question, x is equal to a cosec a and y is equal to a cot a. Which of the following is true? First option, x square plus y square is equal to a square, x square minus y square is equal to a square, x plus y is equal to a, xy is equal to a. సో మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఈ cosec కి cot కి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఏమైనా ఉందా రాసుకుందాం. cosec కి cot కి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ వల్ల ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఐడెంటిటీ? ఐడెంటిటీ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ cosec స్క్వేర్ theta minus cot స్క్వేర్ theta is equal to 1. అంతే కదండి. సో ఈ ఐడెంటిటీని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ cosec theta మాత్రమే కావాలనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ వస్తే ఏమైతే డివిజన్. సో x by a, స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి వీల్ ఆల్సో అప్లై స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ ఆల్సో cot ఒకటే కావాలి కాబట్టి a ని ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకుందాం. అప్పుడు ఏమైతుంది? y by a whole square which is equal to how much? 1. So this is x square by a square minus y square by a square is equal to 1. రెండిటికి ఏంటండి? LCM is nothing but a square. x square minus y square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square minus y square is equal to a square. So what is our option? First one. ఏం లేదండి, ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్ వల్ల కూడా మీరు చూడండి. cosec కి cot కి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఏం చెప్పాను? మైనస్ సైన్ తో చెప్పాను. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సైన్ లో ఉంది ఏకైక ఆప్షన్ ఇది కాబట్టి ఇదే ఆన్సర్ అని పెట్టొచ్చు. ఓకే. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Sin a is equal to 7 by 25, then cos a is equal to what? So the options are 25 by 7, second option is 1, third option is 24 by 25, and fourth option is 24 by 7. So how to solve it? So in order to solve it, first of all, let us take a triangle. So taking a triangle, so I am placing A, B and C. Okay. Let our angle be here. Let us suppose our theta, our angle is here. So sin A is equal to, what is sin A is equal to? We know already, opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is nothing but 7. And what is our hypotenuse? 25. So first of all, I asked you to remember all the triplets. So what is the triplet? 7, 24 and 25. So this value is exactly 24. That's it. Our answer is done. So what do we need to find? Cos A. What is cos A is equal? Adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent to angle A? Angle A. What is adjacent? 24. And next hypotenuse is nothing but 25. This is our answer. That's it. So 24 by 25. Now next question. Sin A plus B is equal to 1 by √2 and cos A minus B is equal to 1 by √2. Then what is the angle? Now if you see in sin, when you are going to get 1 by √2 in the trigonometric table, what we have discussed in our earlier class, we have discussed in sin we will get 1 by √2 for 45 degrees. So that means A plus B angle is equal to 45 degrees. So here you see, in cos also we will get 1 by √2. For what degrees? For the same. So what is that? 45 degrees. So A minus B is also 45 degrees. Now add them. These both gets cancelled. So 2A is equal to 90. Therefore A is equal to 90 by 2. 2 ones are 2 will go for 45 times. So A value is 45. So when A value is 45, A plus B is equal to 45. So A is already 45. 45 plus B is equal to 45. Therefore B is equal to how much? 0. That's it. So what is our answer? 0 is the answer. Our next question. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to √2. Then what is the theta value? So in order to do some problems like this, Not to waste our time, we will go directly from the options. So if you put 0, what is sin 0? Sin 0 is nothing but 0. And what is cos 0? 1. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. That is not equal to root 2. So first option is not possible. Now coming to the second option. Sin 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So what is the answer? 1 plus root 3 by 2. So this is also not equal to root 2. So second one also false. Now let us go for 45 degrees. Now if you take 45 degrees, what is sin 45? It is 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So what is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2? Nothing but 2 by root 2. Root 2 ones are, it will go for root 2 times. So this is equal to root 2. So what is the answer? 45. Sometimes it is better to go through the options than to waste our time by solving the problems. Okay. We need to be quick enough in solving the competitive exams. Not like solving. Here we have been given with a specified time. Within the specified time, what is our maximum output, that only matters. Okay? Okay, children. Our next question. Cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal. First option. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Second option. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Third option. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And fourth option is none. Now if you look, I can write this as cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Right? Why? Because it is power 4. So the same I have written like this. So what is this now? A square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. That's it. So from our identities, standard formulas, what do we have? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is simply 1. So 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. The answer is nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta. That's it. So the option is first option. Okay children, now next question. So 1 minus tan square 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. So the options are given. Actually this is a direct question where we need not confuse for anything. So 1 minus, what is tan square 30? Tan 30 value. What is tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. Very good. Now 1 by root 3 whole square by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So let us solve it in an easy manner. So 1 minus, if you square it, 1 by 3. Minus, this is 1 plus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3. What is 1 minus 1 by 3? Nothing but 2 by 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. So it is nothing but 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 will go for 2 times. So the answer is 1 by 2. So this is the answer. So what is our answer? First option is our answer. So coming to our next question. So x is equal cos theta plus sin theta and y is equal cos theta minus sin theta. Then x square plus y square is equal. And your options are first option 0, second option 1, third option minus 1 and fourth option is 2. So how to solve it? So it is given as x square plus y square, which is equal to, what is x? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So this is like a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And next one plus, this is a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is plus and this is minus. Both the terms gets cancelled. So what do we have? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. So here also 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is also nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1. So the answer becomes 2. So 2 is our answer. That's it. So here is our next question. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Then sin A is equal to what? So whenever such questions comes, don't get confused. Straight away take it as tan A. 3 tan A is equal to 4 in the sense tan A is equal to 4 by 3. That's it. So this is like a simple ratio. Now how to solve? Let us take a triangle A, B and C. Now let it be a right angle triangle here. Okay. Now if for A, what is the, this we know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So our opposite side is nothing but 4. Adjacent side to angle A is nothing but 3. 3, 4. What is the triplet? Nothing but 5. So what is our answer required? Sin A. What is sin A is equal? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is our opposite side beta? 4. Hypotenuse is nothing but 5. So 4 by 5 is our answer. Now nextly. Now 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. This is a question repeated in 2018 poli sci. Now the first option is 1 by root 3, second option is root 3, third option 1 by 2 and fourth option is 3. Straight away from the table, tan 30. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So let us substitute the same. So 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So this is nothing but 2 into what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So this is simply 2 by root 3 by 1 minus, on squaring 1 by root 3 we will get 1 by 3, which is nothing but 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 in the sense 3 minus 1, nothing but 2 by 3, that's it. Now this 2 and this 2 will go for 1 time, so it is nothing but 1 by root 3 into this denominator fraction will become reciprocal, so it is nothing but 3 by 1. So root 3 ones are root 3 will go for root 3 times. So the answer is nothing but root 3. So here is our option. Okay. Okay children, the next question is tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees. So here our options are 0, 1 and third option is 2 and fourth option is 3. So how to solve this type of question? When you get a question like this. So tan 48 is 48 only. So tan 42 in this is, we know about complementary ratios, right? Tan 42 is equal to cot 48 degrees. Why? Because 42 plus 48 only gives us 90. Now if you look at, this is like tan 48 degrees and cot is nothing but 1 by tan theta. That is nothing but tan 48. So tan 48 tan 48 gets cancelled. So answer is nothing but 1. Okay. Now next question. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is also a question which is repeated in 2018 paper. Now coming to the solution, how to solve it. So it is like a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? It is like a square minus b square. So which is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Nothing but sin square theta. Sir, how? So here you have an identity, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. The same thing we have represented here. So what is our answer? Sin square theta. So here is our next question. Tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Then tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to how much? So our options are 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. So how to solve this type of question? Now if you see, here it is a single term but here it is square. So simply we are going to square it. So what happens if we are going to square? Let us see. Now it is like tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Let us square it on both sides. So it is tan square. So it is like a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, which is equal to 1 square is nothing but 1. Now if you see, tan square theta is plus cos square theta is as it is. Now 2 into tan theta into cot theta, we have seen in identities. So tan theta into cot theta is nothing but 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus 2, nothing but 3 is our answer. That's it. Now coming to the next question. Now this is also a question repeated in 2018 policy paper. Now if you see the question, if x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sec theta, then which of the following relationships are true? So first relation, xy is equal to a square b square, x square y square is equal to ab, x square y square is equal to a square b square. Now fourth option is none. Now if you see this kind of problem, here we need to see the trigonometric function. What is the trigonometric function here? So the trigonometric ratio here is cos theta and here is sec theta. So cos theta and sec theta, is there any relationship? Yes. What is that relationship? We know that cos theta into sec theta is nothing but equal to 1. Okay. Now, so can I write x by a is equal to cos theta, and from here y by b is equal to sec theta. Now we already know this, so let us substitute it. So cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So what is cos theta? X by a. into y by b is equal to 1. So xy by ab is equal to 1. Therefore xy is equal to ab. That implies x square y square is equal a square b square. That's it. This is our answer. So here is our next question. Tan 85 degrees, tan 65 degrees, tan 45 degrees, tan 25 degrees and tan 5 degrees. So what is the value of it, which is equal to 1 or 0 or minus 1 or none of this? This is a question from 2019 Polyset previous year paper. So see how we are going to solve it. Tan 85. Tan 85 in the sense in cot, what can I write? I can write it as 5 degrees. So next, tan 65 in the sense in cot, I can write it as 25 degrees. So tan 45 already we know the value, so that's why I am taking it as 1. Then next we have tan 25 degrees and tan 5 degrees. Now I think you have understood why I have taken in terms of cot. We know that already tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So here we are going to use the same thing. So how we are going to use it? So write these both together. So it is nothing but cot 5 degrees into tan 5 degrees. And next we have cot 25 degrees into tan 25 degrees. Now you see, 1 is all together. If you multiply, you get the same. So this is nothing but 1 and this is also 1. So 1 into 1. So the answer is 1. That's it. Now coming to the next question. Now in the next question it is given that if sine 18 degrees is equal to cos x, then what is x value? Now if you see, the options are 73 degrees, 37 degrees, 72 degrees and the last option is 84 degrees. Now if you see, we know that sine theta and cos theta are complementary ratios. That means both the sum of the angles must be equal to how much? 90 degrees. Right, exactly. Now if it is 80 degrees, then what is x value? In order to become 90, what is that? Nothing but cos 72 degrees. Cos 72 degrees is nothing but equal to sine 18 degrees. Therefore x value is how much? 72 degrees. So 72 is our option. Here is our next question. Root of sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. So how we are going to solve it? So this is in the form like a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? It is nothing but a square minus b square. So this is nothing but root of sec square theta minus 1. What is root of sec square theta minus 1? Already we know the identity. What is that? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from which we can say that sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Therefore this is nothing but root of tan square theta. Square root gets cancelled, so it is nothing but tan theta. So tan theta is our option. So it's a simple question. And coming to the next question. Now, angle A is given as 60 degrees. Then 3 sine cube A minus 4 sine A. It's a direct question. Why? Because angle is already given. See how we are going to find it. So 3 into. What is sine 60 value? That we are going to write it here. Sine 60 cube. Why? Because angle A is how much? 60 degrees. So what is sine 60? Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 4 into sine 60. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. That's it. Now let us cube it. This is 3. Root 3 whole cube is 3 root 3 by 2 cube. It's nothing but 8. Minus, this is nothing but 2 ones are 2 will go for 2 times. Nothing but 2 root 3. Now on further simplification, you can write it as 9 root 3 by 8 minus 2 root 3. Now, here I have to make the LCM same so that my calculation will be easier. So what I am going to do? I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 8. So what it becomes? Here it is nothing but 8. Here 8 2's it becomes 16 directly. So it is nothing but, now you see, in both the cases the denominators are same. So directly I can say the answer. 9 root 3 minus 16 root 3. So how much it is? Minus 7 root 3 by 8. That's it. Okay children, next question. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to P and A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Q. Then how is the relationship exists between them? So the first option, A square plus B square is equal to P square plus Q square. Second option, A square plus B square is equal to P square minus Q square. Next, A square minus B square is equal to P square plus Q square. And fourth option, A square minus B square is equal to P square minus Q square. So whenever you get a question like this, we'll be a bit confused. See, it's a big statement how to derive the relation formulas. Whenever you get a question like this, do remember one thing. So for the first it is plus sign, and for the second equation it is minus sign. So where you have cos theta, here you have sin theta. Where you have sin theta, here you have cos theta. So whenever you get a relationship like this, then the coefficients square sum will be equal to the value square. That's it. So simply the answer is nothing but a square plus b square is equal to p square plus q square. Directly looking at the question itself, you need to answer. Need not worry. Sir, my correct of the father. Doubt. So let us solve it even. మీకు జనరల్ అర్థం కావడం చెప్తున్నాను. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ sin theta ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడ cos theta ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడ cos theta sin theta ఒకవేళ theta చేంజ్ చేసి రేషియోస్ చేంజ్ చేసి ఇచ్చిన ఇలాంటి మోడల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ ఏం చేసుకోవాలి, ఒకటి ప్లస్ ఉండాలి, ఒకటి మైనస్ ఉండాలి. ఇంకోటి ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కాస్ ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ కాస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉండాలి. కంపల్సరీ ఇవి రెండు కూడా వేరు వేరు అయి ఉండాలి. కంపల్సరీ డిఫరెంట్ రేషియోస్ ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే మన ఆన్సర్ ఏమైపోతుంది, a square plus b square is equal to p square plus q square value. So how it is, let us see. Now first one, if you are going to square, what it becomes? So p square is equal to, so this is nothing but a plus b whole square. So directly I am writing the answer. A square is nothing but a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2 into a into b. So that is nothing but 2ab cos theta sin theta. So competitive exam lo steps kuda manam chala takku rayali. Steps kosam time waste cheyadu. So direct steps should be there. So next, q square is equal to ఏమైతే బేటా a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now if you see, I am going to add this both. These both gets cancelled. So it is p square plus q square is equal to a square రెండిట్లో నుంచి కామన్ తీయొచ్చు కదా. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి, cos square theta plus sin square theta. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది మనకి, b square కామన్ తీస్తే sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now you see, p square plus q square is equal sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but identity. This is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it is nothing but a square plus b square. See, మొత్తం చేయకపోయినా డైరెక్ట్ ఇట్లాంటి మోడల్ ఇచ్చేది ఉంటే కంపల్సరీ మనం ఆన్సర్ పెట్టచ్చు. ఏంటంటే ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. కంపల్సరీ రేషియో షుడ్ బి డిఫరెంట్. ఇది ఒక్క లాజిక్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే చాలు, ఎంత ప్రాసెస్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం. డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ పుట్ ద ఆన్సర్ జస్ట్ బై రిమెంబరింగ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్లస్ హియర్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి మైనస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ కాస్ థీటా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరీ ఫంక్షన్ చేంజ్ ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే మన ఆన్సర్ పోతుంది, డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ tan alpha is equal to 1/2 and tan beta is equal to 1/2. Then alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Now answers are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees and 0 degrees. So coming to our solution. So he asked about alpha plus beta values. There are no clues given there. ఈవెన్ ఒకవేళ మనం ఏమైనా థీటా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి చూద్దామన్నా మన ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియో టేబుల్లో 1/2 1/3 వచ్చేలాగా మనకి ఏం లేదు. సో హియర్ వీ కాంట్ అప్లై ఇట్. వీ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు ద ప్రాసెస్. సో హౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సాల్వ్ ఇట్? లెట్ us. Now we are applying tan alpha plus beta. Sir, what is tan alpha plus beta? This formula you need to learn. Okay, what is tan alpha plus beta? Already మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Starting video లో మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. Now if you see, tan alpha plus beta is equal to, what is tan alpha value? 1/2 and this is 1/3 by 1 minus 1/2 into 1/2. Now if you see 1/2 and 1/3, what is the LCM? LCM is 6. 2 will go for 3 times and 3 will go for 2 times by. So this is 1 minus 1/6. So it is nothing but 5/6 divided by. So ఇక్కడ 1 minus 1/6. That is nothing but how much? 6 minus 1. So it is 5/6. Now 5/6 divided by 5/6, it will go for 1 time. So what is the answer? 1. So that is tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Therefore tan లో మనకి 1 angle ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? 45 degrees వస్తుంది. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. So where is our 45? This is our answer. That's it. Okay, coming to our next question. 1 radian is equal to how much? 56 degrees 18 minutes. 57 degrees 16 minutes, 56 degrees 15 minutes and 45 degrees 40 minutes. So here you can directly note down the value. So 1 radian will be equal to 57 degrees 16 minutes. So in order to solve this, just we have previously gone through pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. If you are going to simplify by placing the value pi is equal to 3.14, we will arrive, and then we'll arrive at the answer 57 degrees 16 minutes. Okay, so there is no tricks for this. Directly do remember 1 radian is equal to 56 degrees 16 minutes. Okay. If a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to p and a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to q, then our first option a square plus b square is equal to p square plus q square, a square plus b square is equal to p square minus q square, a square minus b square is equal to p square plus q square, and a square minus b square is equal to p square minus q square. Now this question has been repeated in the previous paper, and in this paper also it has been the same one and the same question. So there we have remembered a logic. Remember, it should be a plus sign and it should be a minus sign followed by cos theta sin theta and sin theta cos theta. So in such a case, we have remembered the answer is a square plus b square. These two coefficients when squared and added together gives us p square plus q square. This is our answer. So first one will be our option. Okay. Okay, now our last question. Cos 200 degrees, cos 201 degrees, cos 202 degrees, and so on till cos 300 degrees is equal. What is the answer? So our options are pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi by 4, and 0. So this is a question which has come in last year Polysec paper. Now how to solve this? Before solving this, I am going to explain a solved concept, and this concept will be very much useful in your intermediate. In intermediate trigonometric ratios, whenever you have questions related to more than 90 degrees, suppose if he asked you about sine 135 degrees or else sine 225 degrees or cos 360 degrees or more than that, if the angle is more than 90 degrees, then how we are going to find? So this is our xy coordinate plane. So here if you see, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So in order to remember this, we use the logic all silver teacups. So what is this all silver teacups? All in the sense all the trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant. Silver in the sense sine and cosec. These two ratios are only positive in second quadrant. And t in the sense tan and cot are the only positive ratios in third quadrant. And cups in the sense cos theta and sec theta are only positive in the fourth quadrant. Sir, how to solve this kind of problems? I will show you two examples. After knowing through the examples, then we will solve the problem. Now, let us look one case, sine of 135. Sine of 135, here the angle is more than 90 degrees. So how we are going to find? So 135 degrees divided by 90. So 90 ones 90 and the leftover is nothing but 45 degrees. Now here the same you can write, this is nothing but sine of 90 into 1 plus 45 degrees. Now if you see, it has completed one rotation and it is coming into plus 45 indicates it is coming into second quadrant. So second quadrant lo manaki eve positive unnai, sine and cosec are only positive. So what is here sine? So compulsory idi positive ayindi. Okay, this is the first thing. So first thing is nothing but sine. Sine ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది మనకి ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉందో తెలుసుకుంటే సైన్ తెలుస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ఫంక్షన్. ఇప్పుడు సైన్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ సైన్ వాల్యూ తో పాటు ఇక్కడ మనం చూస్తే 90 into 1 is nothing but odd. So whenever you get odd multiple, sine changes into cos. So what is the leftover angle? Rotate అయిపోయిన తర్వాత leftover angle. What is the leftover angle? So leftover angle is 45 degrees. So what is the value? So cos 45 1 by root 2. So this is the value. Sir, can I write in another way? So దీన్ని ఇంకో వేలో ఏం రాయొచ్చు మనం? Sine of 135 degrees is equal sine of 180 degrees minus 45 degrees అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా. 180 minus 45 is also 135. So ఇలా రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? Let us see the answer. So this is also sine of 90 into 2 multiples minus 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees. So now you see. So here how we are going to solve? 90 into 2. 90 into 2 in the sense 90 into 2. So it has already completed 2 rotations. అంటే 2 quadrants full complete అయిపోయిందండి. 2 quadrants complete అయిపోయింది. -45 అంటే మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చింది మనకి సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లోనే వచ్చింది. సో సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో సైన్ అండ్ కొసెక్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్, సో హియర్ సైన్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే సైన్ పాజిటివ్ అయిపోయింది, సైన్ వచ్చింది మనకి, ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అన్న సైన్ తెలిసిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కావాలి మనకి ఫంక్షన్. సో సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ సైన్ లానే ఉంటుందా కాస్ లో చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎన్నో మల్టిపుల్ అండి ఇది, దిస్ ఈస్ ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్. సో ఈవెన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ వస్తే సైన్ రిమైన్స్ యాజ్ సైన్ ఓన్లీ, నో చేంజ్. So what is the answer here? 1/√2. So in both the process we will get the same. Either you can write in the multiples of 90 plus 45 or in the multiples of 90 minus 45. Okay, both the cases are there. మన ఇష్టం ఏ కేసు అన్నా యూస్ చేయాలి. సరే ఈ కేసెస్ మాకు ఎందుకు చెప్తారు, ఇక్కడ ఎలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ హియర్ cos 200, cos 201 degrees and so on, cos 300 degrees. దీంట్లో కంపల్సరీ మనకి cos 270 degrees వస్తుందండి. Can I get? Okay. So in between I am going to get compulsory cos 270 degrees. 270 ante more than 90. So what I am going to do? I am going to split it in terms of multiples. So I can write it as 90 3s are 270 and what is the leftover option? 0. So this can be written as cos of 3 times of 90 plus 0 degrees. Okay. 3 times of 90 plus 0 degrees. And ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. So here if you look, how many rotations it has completed? So 1 rotation 90, 2 rotations 90, 3 rotations 90. Plus 0 in the sense is it lying here. So here, now which case should be considered? Whether we need to take plus or whether we need to take minus. Now if you see here, it is exactly on that. So it is plus 0 degrees. So we are going to consider the fourth quadrant. So what is the cos theta? So in fourth quadrant plus something. So here it is there, but already it has to move here. So even if you take minus, we cannot go because it is already plus. It is not less than that. So that's why we are going to take plus. So when you are going to take the sign as plus, why? Because cos 270 plus theta. So it is coming into more or less fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant cos theta is positive. So we are going to take positive value. Okay. And next, if you see here, it is which type of multiple? Odd multiple. So whenever it is odd multiple, the function gets changed. Okay, previously so whenever it is odd, sign changes into cos. So similarly, cos function also changes into sin function. And what is the remaining angle? Remaining angle is 0 degrees. So that is nothing but what is sin 0? Sin 0 is nothing but 0. So why did you say this, sir? So if 0 is multiplied to any value, what will be the answer? The answer will be obviously 0. 0 into something. So the answer becomes 0. Okay? Yeah. This part is very important for your intermediate. Okay? So with this we have completed all the previous year questions of the power set right from 2016 to 2020. Okay? I think you have all understood it. In case of any doubts, you can comment. Okay? ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Career Tuner. Thank you.